There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa. How I wish that you were here to give me everything I want. But I know that life's unfair and we can't always have it all. Whoa, whoa, I wish that you were here. Whoa, whoa, I wish that you were here.
Hi guys, so right now I'm fishing again. So I'm actually at the river side with a local who is also fishing. So he's bringing another rod now. I think he's scared that he cannot win me. So he's using two rods instead of one. I'm just using one rod, which I brought a very nice fishing rod here. So let's see if I get any fish later. Alright guys, stay tuned. Hi, so right now I was invited to one of the big boats here. So I'm feel honored because actually it's a living space for one of the worker here. So as you can see, there's a bed here below here. Yeah, interesting. There's a lot of things. There's charger port, there's a bed and everything. That's how he live in the boat. Okay, guys, you can see that how he stay. So he actually got a lot of stuff here. So he got like some what do you call it? Like plates, bowls, and there's cooking. I think he's cooking something. He's cooking something here. He's cooking a fish. So there's a stove with a gas, and then there's a lot of there's a very beautiful view. And then I got fork and spoon, and then he's over here. He's coming. It's actually a very big boat. So this is the owner. He cannot speak English at all, so he don't understand me. So over there is my fishing rod. I'm just waiting for my bait. Somebody who is buying for me the. One fish. This is the fish. It's like a palm big size. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know what fish is this. You guys can tell me what fish is this. So where do I put the fish? Okay guys, so right now I just finished fishing. So I only caught one fish, and then it's being prepared by one of the villager, considered as my friend. So I went into his house and I saw a lot of fighting chicken. Let me show you guys.
Sometimes there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves. There's no one I can turn to.